Recent research on the Nazca Plateau and its neighboring hills of Palpa has revealed a surprise. Not all geoglyphs were sculpted to be seen by the gods. Some, according to archaeologists, the Palpa geoglyph were made to be viewed by humans. If you're interested in learning more about these fascinating finds, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Your support is essential to continue sharing valuable information about archaeology and historical discoveries. The conclusion of Johnny Isla, chief archaeologist of Peru for the Lines, highlights that a group of anthropomorphic figures and animals have gone unnoticed, but now emerge thanks to drones and high-definition analysis. These images, dated between 500 BC and 200 AD, come from pre-Nazca cultures like the Paracas or the Topara. Unlike the famous geometric lines of Nazca, these figures are observable from the ground. A key figure represents an anthropomorphized orca, found by Island after tracing an old negative of the 70s. This discovery raises new questions about the function of geoglyphs. The ancient explanation of the Nazca lines saw them as messages to the gods, linked to issues such as water and fertility. However, this new interpretation suggests that earlier figures were used as landmarks and clan identity symbols. Luis Jaime Castillo, former Peruvian minister, synthesizes this new vision by stating that these figures were made by humans for humans. They are clear representations of people and delimit territories, which changes our understanding of their purpose. Despite these advances, questions remain unanswered. Why do some figures show combative humans and animals, while the Nazca figures tend to abstraction? What did it mean that these figures were visible to those walking through the pampas? This paradigm shift introduces new dimensions to the study of geoglyphs. Although it does not solve the central enigma of the Nazca lines, it does suggest a layer of human communication and territorial symbolism. The use of advanced technology such as drones and artificial intelligence algorithms is transforming research into Nazca and Palpa. Previously studied areas now reveal new discoveries, suggesting that there is still much to explore. In this debate between the monumental and the intimate, the finding invites us to rethink not only what the lines meant, but for who were marked. The narrative of these geoglyphs continues to evolve over time. The sand of the desert moves, and with it, the understanding of these ancient symbols also changes. Research continues, and the geoglyphs of Nazca and Palpa remain a fascinating enigma.